Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening DevTools with F12 or Control plus Shift plus I. This attaches a live inspector to the current page. Next, pick the panel you need: Elements to edit HTML, Console for commands, Network to trace requests, so your workflow is focused. Make sure to choose a docking position that matches your screen. Undock if you want a separate window. Once done, right-click any element and choose Inspect to jump straight into the relevant DOM node and begin live edits immediately. Now you dig into the middle steps: inspect and edit. You can tweak HTML or CSS directly in Elements to test layout fixes instantly, and then preserve changes in your editor. For JavaScript, open sources and set conditional or line breakpoints to step through execution. Make sure to watch scope and call stack panels. Meanwhile, monitor network to filter resource types, replay XHRs, and examine headers and bodies to verify API behavior. Once changes work, copy snippets or export the HAR for sharing. Finally, wrap up by using advanced panels to validate fixes. Run performance and memory profiles to find slow frames or retained objects, and use Lighthouse audits to get actionable performance and accessibility scores. Emulate devices and throttling to reproduce mobile issues, and disable cache when testing resource changes. If something breaks, clear cache, disable extensions, or undock and reload to isolate. One key troubleshooting tip: reproduce the bug in an incognito window with extensions off to rule out external interference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.